Hello everyone, this is Sean here, and in this video I'll be filming the motor room of an LG elevator and a Goldstar elevator. First, let's start with the LG one. And now, this is the motor of lift A. They will be replacing lift B's motor completely soon. Full speed leveling. So basically how I actually got up to this place is because I think someone forgot to lock the roof access door, so I just came in, but I had to make it quick, otherwise someone might just catch me up there. And here are actually how the elevators look like from the outside. I'll be filming them in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, evening or night. Bye everyone.